video on the channel. So today we're here on the cat service to UWA, and we are on bus number 4004 because I am filming another electric cat bus, but I'm making it an improved video, if that makes sense. It's getting it improved. Oh, there's 3502. So we're here. I took some photos. I'm going to use one of my camera photos for the thumbnail. I did take a really good photo for the camera today. I don't actually. For my Future Bus Cat. I think it's 2139. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So I saw this bus operating when I came into Perth. There it is. Future Bus Cat, soon to be gone. It's so silent, this bus. I can actually talk. Normally when I'm making videos I talk a little bit louder. Now I'm talking in a normal talking voice. I love this. There's people talking and food sounds. And if you're wondering why these doors make that loud clank sound when they shut, it's because they are lockable doors. Yeah, they're lockable. It doesn't explain the new sound, but it does mean that they're lockable. Yeah, here's 2139. Pull in. The wipes on this are like square light and H actually.
I'll just play through it with
This is how I sit on the bus. Not always like. Normally I'll sit like this. It's fine. Yeah, it's just not comfortable sometimes. 2577. This is nice and comfy. I'm sitting in the flat back. We're in 4004, the oldest electric cat that's operating in Perth. Which is weird to say. It is true. First, it's a cult classic. There's 4 operating. I was hoping a new one, but you can't have anything. Bus drivers are honestly the best. This bus driver told me what shift, but not the shift, the route they're operating on, and they're mainly operating on this route, I think. I thought like this route or the Blue Cat route, or even Green Cat I've seen. I've not seen one operate on yellow or red, because Justin made a video on Green Cat debut, I think it was 2006, but like, yeah. Licensed to carry 78 passengers. The normal cats, the non-electric ones, are only licensed to carry 65 passengers. Bigger capacity for an electric vehicle. This proof of electric vehicle haters wrong. Okay, and there's 2624.
But they always put a bit of reverb on like that, and it just gives them a bit of makes them sound out.
That's on Redcliffe.
Yeah, so it brings it up.
It's about to get busy.
And when you put the advice on this, so when you add the reverb to it, so there's like this. It's not.
Actually, you can see where it locks into place when it locks. It's like there. It's like where the speaker is. No, that's where I think you want to. Oh, we're already full. Seriously, we're already full. We're going to QE2. Oh, no, not QE2, UWA. So we're going to get even busier. We're going to get even busier. Which is going to be really weird. It's like, see, this is the advantage. I'm filming this on a Tuesday. School holiday, so I do have the day to do all my random videos. I'm gonna do actually a Joondalup cat video as well. I'm gonna do a Joondalup cat because they're really good. Oh my god. My iPhone's trying to connect to Perth 3 Wi-Fi.
Just software on a computer.
Mount Street.
So, yeah, I filmed the Blue Cat video, a better video, but I filmed it one half on my camera, the other little bit on my iPhone. It's because my stupid camera overheated. It overheats too easily. This iPhone doesn't overheat, and I'm filmed for like 1080p 30. But when I film my train videos, it's 1080p 60. I always increase for train videos. Just so, ugh, disgusting. No, disgusting. I actually like this Harvest Terrace stuff.
Harvest Terrace.
I might actually. So I'm going to be uploading this. This is the most packed I've ever seen a cat bus, I think. I've seen Blue Cat get packed, but never like so many people standing. I don't know 4 people standing, but come on, Transserve, you should have done like the Joondalup cats are way better. They fixed. I think they have like 82 capacity or something like that. Come on, Transserve, get a Joondalup cat type bus for this. It's so weird. Okay.
Depot House.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a green cat. 2629.
Collins Street.
Yeah, it's weekday. You're gonna see more cats operating on this route. You're gonna see a lot more cats today. Every cat's operating today, including Joondalup cats. Don't know if Joondalup Yellow's operating though. That's the only thing that I don't know. It's awful. This is the most busy I've ever seen.
Collins Street.
So close to me. It's literally full. That when I'm standing, I'm not standing. I won't stand yet. I like to film like this. My leg on the armrest. It makes me feel tall. But it also helps use less legs. Okay, we're stopping. They should have. Yeah, this bus is not frequent enough. So. It's on a 10-minute frequency. They need to make it like an 8 or so minute frequency. I don't think anyone uses the Korean cat. It's okay. It's getting really packed. I've never seen a bus so packed. Oh, that's in the first DVD. Wait, maybe I can use the 96 going from Crawley to Yukon.
Thomas Street.
Good thing I picked the front seat. Because a one-person seat, that's what I like, is that one person seat, you're not meant to sit. Because personally, I get claustrophobic. That's why I like the front seat. Just that it gives me room. Because one of those people sitting next to it makes me feel too tight. Like on Leadable shutdown, that was awful. Oh my god, the doors are shaking. Like absolutely crazy. There's actually a good way to get to you can get to Rockaby Road. You can actually get to Rockaby Road from here, which is a good way to transition to Fremantle High Wycombe line. It's a good way. Stopping at the next stop. Yep, as I was saying, Rockaby Road is the next stop, so you can actually, well, I would say, really easily get to the train station. So I don't think it's that far. Kings Park? Yes, there's Kings Park. I was there yesterday at the time I started recording.
This stop is Rockaby Road.
So there's... I'm gonna check it. Maybe they should make it 96 from Yokine a more frequent road. It would be a good way to get to transition to a cab. Right now, 19, 354, and you can just do 970.
I was sitting back and watch. No, you're watching TV.
Thank you.
Well, if not, get the whip out.
This stop is Onslow Road.
If you don't like what I'm asking, then go out front and ask if I want help.
So we're gonna.
Near Balfour, Hospital Avenue North.
If you ask me to pay, I'll just sit and do it PM. That way you don't have to do that shit.
If you're wondering why I've been filming not much train content recently, it's that there's nothing interesting. I do have some train content planned as well. Some Showdowns Express C series content. Yeah, platform 6 is going to be in use. I think for the first time since I was last Showdown, or I don't know line closure was before Showdown, so yeah. No, after. Yeah, so like some of the Armadale line actually departed on platform 6. There was a weird pattern, but like. So we're here at QE2 Medical Centre. I wonder if because sometimes some cats meet here actually. Alright, we're here at QE2 Medical Centre. There's a bus stop right here. Ignore the very shaky bus we're on. It's a horrible road. Oh! Here's a good way. That's 999. No wonder that.
This stop is Hospital Avenue North.
Oh, that's 950 bus.
Near Balfour, QE2 Medical Centre.
Huey 2009.
What's the next stop?
I think I took photos of that bus. Yeah. Yeah. 3130. I took photos of 3130. I always remember. Oh yeah, here's where you meet normally about here. Yeah. Yeah.
Helping to carry
Yeah.
this crap. And crap
Yeah,
come back.
2623.
This is where you have to go to the city morgue.
Oh, that's circle route. I call it circle poop, but same thing. Every bus on earth has that.
Thank you, driver. Vending machines are cool.
Oh, what are you doing, mate? You're
It's a bus walk, so you can wait for the bus walk.
but you're not meant to. You,
So it's gonna stop for the bus walk.
well, you shouldn't have driven right up to where the bus is. You're meant to give way to the bus.
Ring bell for Smith Children's Hospital.
The bus was in front too.
Yeah, well, it's going.
There's the license plate. By the way, I don't care about showing people's license plate. If they do something bad, camera on their plate. It's like a portable speed camera. You speed, you get.
Stop, Julie.
Or 2786.
This stop is Smith Children's Hospital.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit quiet. Yeah,
Ring bell for
Right.
Monash Avenue.
definitely broken the camera. I don't know. Look at this. Oh, dent the entire camera bag. Put that on the floor so I don't damage it. Still being on the floor. Ah, there we go. That's way more comfortable than the way I was sitting before. By the way, how do you like the new Smart Rod in Lanyard? It's the green one. I got green because it was like transparent green. It is transparent green, basically. Is there anything transparent green in this bus? No. No, it's fine. Yeah. That's that colour. Compare it to this. So here's this colour. Autofocus. And here's that colour. Like literally transparent green. That's what the brown was aiming for. This is really hard. I like this. When I make the Juno Up Cat video, I'll show you the difference between the buses. I did actually talk about a bit of the difference on 4005. I don't really want to do it again on 4004.
This stop is Monash Avenue.
What's the battery difference?
Ring bell for Hampton Road North.
The Samsung, you just swipe down and see the swipe and you see the battery life. On the iPhone, you can't. Oh yeah, it's annoying because I like Apple's good cameras. They're really good. So how old is this phone? Actually, the 7 could do 4K anyway. So if I needed to, I could actually switch to the 7 with its 4K cameras.
This stop is Hampton Road North. Ring bell for Corella Street.
So I'm gonna talk. I have a DSLR camera, the Nikon. I've talked a little bit about it. I've filmed on it. Older channel videos. Go check that out. They're the cringe AF. Forget the Bob videos. They're not filmed on it. What are they called?
This stop is Corella Street.
This is a good photography and videography camera. It's a DSLR, so you can change out the lens, which I love. And you get a better photography lens for it.
Northbound for Bridgeton Road South.
Up here comes another bus. That may be the one that, yeah, that was, I think that was 2780. Yeah, correct, yeah. That was the bus that was before. Oh, yeah, 2780. That's our previous. Here's my 50. I articulated. Lovely, and it is 3050. Oh, heck no. This bus is too full of people.
This stop is Hampton Road South.
I think most people are getting probably get off. But no, I'm gonna stay on and go back to the King station because that's where I want to go. So,
Heading down for UWA.
I want your guys' opinion. Looking at all this, all my channel videos, do you think the best videos are filmed on the Samsung or the iPhone? That's a question I want you guys to answer. Because I will say, it's up to you guys.
UWA.
I just want to see. Check out the older videos, the 4Ks and the 1080s. Right? Film 1080s on this one, the 1080s on the Samsung.
Heading down for UWA Guild.
So just look at the short and look at the long form. Whichever video you think, like the shorts or the long form, I film all my shorts on my Samsung, most of my long form on this iPhone. I use it. I'm using iPhone 10 right now. I don't know if you can see it. I'll get my phone, I'll show you. Get the selfie camera out. Get it out my camera bag. I want to know how to use this. I'll film while trying to get the selfie camera. Look at this. Here it is. Here's the iPhone. Here I am too. Here, hello. How do you think that looks? Okay, it looks awful on the iPhone screen. Okay, there we go. Ignore the white thing, that's just like, you can take a photo and move that to convenience you. It's really good. Doesn't work. I keep the camera back on the floor. So, yeah. Actually, one of my bus trips on the way home and always sit on the front seat. And my bag, because the wheelie bag goes here where I'm sitting, and then I sit in this corner where my camera bag sits. Actually, most people sit where I'm sitting right now. I don't know why. You can just see, yeah. Look at that. That's where all the padding is gone. Good people sit there. And don't use this, actually. Yeah, that's brand new. You're like the first people to really give it a squish right. my sound song. Actually, if you check out the 20 video. I think that was like a 4K video, yeah. I'm still doing a 4K video. And you see how much of a fail I had in that video with my suction cups. And I have that because I used to use it just to stick on my, so I could do hands-free things. But now, I switched back to the iPhone, so I can't do hands-free. Which made me sad. Probably have to get a suction cup for this photo actually. So oh, I got that suction cup of Temu. So Temu's good. It's powered the channel. That's not really bad, but need the handle up here so I can keep a hold of it. Yeah, also here no one's sat really. You can tell no one's sat on it because it's hard to press. Oh, here's a 950 3060. Yeah, 3068. Okay. Well, I know you're gonna comment like, no, it's 3068. I've just checked. I fixed my mistake. Okay, that's gonna break the bus. Look at my nails are sharp. Like little weapons. There we are. You can make that. I was about to turn that just to be like regular, like the phone was like still a tracker, but no. Not that type of person that would do stuff like that for funny. Not funny, it's just annoying. Okay. So is that CBD? No, that's not CBD. CBD is back that way. I'm gonna try and film. Yeah, there. Perth's a beautiful city. I love Perth. I love Perth's transport system. I hate the city I live in, but I love Perth's transport system. Eventually I go up on the Australian service up to Bunbury. It films them with Trans Bunbury because I actually have a lot of NH in it up there. You don't really get
This stop is UWA Guild. UWA Business School.
So if you've ever wondered where I got my idea to start my transport video from, well, here's a little backstory. Okay, I'm going to a backstory. So it's because I'm out of ideas talking in this video. I'm just going to talk about my history. So one day, I was idiotic this one day. I wanted to catch Circle Route. Of course I did. I caught Circle Route all the way from Fremantle, oh my god, to the corner of Flinders, then caught 970 to Yokine. I waited for the 19th service to head back home, and then the 19th service got the future bus. The future bus is not very cool, it's just cool. And the bus driver said, do you want to come on early instead of waiting out here in this heat? Pretty standard for most bus drivers will let you on a little tad bit early. But this bus driver gave me the ticket roller right there and let me start the bus up. That was cool. Alright, here we are at Terminus, I think.
This stop is UWA Business School.
I think this is Terminus. Yeah, this is Terminus. Yeah, this is Terminus. So, I probably will turn off now because it's a half an hour video and I hate my video if I over half an hour.
Greenbelt for Cape Horn Street.
Alright, so yeah, I'll sign off the video now, just because I really want to stop filming and just relax a little bit after I back. Alright, thank you guys for watching, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!